Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy on eBay without getting scammed. So first all you need to do is to open eBay, of course, and log into your account. Then you can search for the item that you want to buy and follow these simple steps. So open the item. You can see the seller reviews. The seller have 1991 reviews and they are 99.7% positive feedback, which means that this seller can be trusted. And then you can see the quantity and everything, and make sure to buy items on eBay. You don't buy them on outside of eBay and pay the seller directly, because like this you won't guarantee your money back. So you can have returns, 60 days return, if the item doesn't follow the specifications that this seller have posted. For example, condition, used or new, and the brand, all those details. And yeah, so the most important part is always do payments on eBay, and always try to verify the seller's reviews, and always check on the item specifics, the condition, and all those details. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.